My workshop is kind of small, so full plywood cuts are tricky. Here's the best way. First, I mark both ends based on the cut line. Then I mark the center as a reference point. Next, I set up a simple wooden track. You can use anything as long as it's straight. Start with the first section and make the cut. Then move to the center, reset the track, and cut again. Keep going until you reach the final end. See? Super simple. If you don't have a track saw, this method works perfectly. And if your wood is longer, you won't even need to move it like I did.